jumping jack flash, it's a gas, gas, gas. Well, here it is, very, very late for the gasser group build. So you can just call it a regular build, I guess, by now. If they don't want it in their group, that's fine. That's okay. But I finally got it done. I had lots of problems with the paint, but oh my gosh, look at it out here in the sun. It is absolutely stunning. It was well worth all the effort and the trials and tribulations that it gave me. I am very pleased with this. Very pleased indeed. I'm going to have some pictures here at the end of all the little stuff, and I'm going to try to show you some of it out here too. You know, the one part that I'm not sure if I like about it are the numbers on the back window. Yes, that makes it say it's a gasser and not really for the street, but maybe it takes away a little bit too. I don't know. But we tried to make this mean and tough. Let's take a look at some other things. Of course, it's got the tilt front hood. Doesn't go all the way forward, but that's okay. I didn't detail the engine a whole lot because I had a hard time figuring out which engine was in this, so I didn't know where the distributor was to put the wires and the fuel lines and all that other stuff. So I just thought it was, well, okay, we'll just make it so you know it's a tilt front end, and that's good enough. We do have it so that the doors open and you can get a look inside. I have some better pictures that I'll show in a little bit. We have it flocked inside. We made some custom racing seat belts for it. Let's see, the roll bar is painted body color, as well as lots of other parts in the interior. And you can see we have a checkerboard pattern on for the interior. And yeah, both doors open up just like they should. Won't tell you how easy or how hard it was, but it can be done. Doesn't mean you'll be able to get them to close it. We also painted the frame in the same as the body color. We added a strap for the parachute, because you know, when you pull the line, you want it to actually stop the car and not just be a nice little parachute floating down the track. We de-chromed the wheels and painted them black. Added some little bits of silver and chrome to the lug nuts and stuff like that. Yeah, and wow, this color just blings and pops and rocks. And this is without any sanding or buffing. This was my first time using the scale finishes 2K clear. And Jamestown, I gotta get you a shout out for that, because you recommended this to help fix my mistakes and stuff, and I told you I'd give you good plugs, so there should be a thing somewhere around there for Jamestown, and I'll try to include your link and a message to you, because wow, I mean, this just beautiful. Like I said, no buffing, no sanding. I mean, it almost looks like it should still be wet, and obviously it's not. That is beautiful. All right, well, we're going to throw some more pictures in at the end of this of some various things with the build, and I'll probably get some more pictures inside. Maybe see if I can do some little camera tricks with this. My wonderful friend, Masked Model, She helped me to make up and discover this color. She's the one that recommended it, so we'll give her a shout out too. Lovely and talented master model. Thank you very much, hon, for helping me through this, especially when I hit my roadblocks. Maybe we'll find some pictures of you in blue to stand by this. Alright guys, stay tuned for some pictures that will flash around, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.
So this is my version of what I would wear if I was her. So if you haven't guessed it already, I'm Laura Croft from Tomb Raider. I hope you got it. I hope it pretty much gave it away. So what do you think? So if you're new here, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and those bell notifications so you know what I post all week long. Also, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about my cosplay today. And have yourself a fantastic day.